oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, but she don't want my love, I guess I gotta move on.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Put no money in and guess how many reason why. I don't know, man. Smoking on the highest level, fucking on the hottest level. Sinning can't remember when we used to see them people in. Now we cutting up and doing anything just for the win. Put the money in the fame, the honey rich, I let them in.
I am so tired of waiting. Aren't you? For the world to become good and beautiful and kind?
Double M, double cross, fuck me good, fuck me soft, let them know who you are. Fuck your bitch and wipe her off, money yours, now it's ours. Unloaded, that's on guard, niggas kept on my radar. Carry me a A&R. Swimming through the rappers in that battle, that's a new ocean. You was getting way too wet when we was super soaking. The devil's dancing on the roof because the door is open. Take a couple puffs and sips and now a nigga floating. Papa's ain't move your panties, look me in the eyes, bitch. Money's power, after science is you down to die, bitch. I done studied everything right down just to your pockets. Take this pill, it's gonna have you rolling in your eyelids. Welcome to the hills, back. Welcome to the desert. Welcome to the hills, back. Welcome to the desert. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the hills, and welcome to the. Say hi to the devil and let him sing. I can't hear him in my head, but I let him sing. I don't think nobody heard from him, except me.
Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday. I got a busy day today. I have a presentation to give at my Master Gardener's stuff. So that starts at 10 a.m. I'm here now. It's 9:46, so I'm just early. So yeah, I have to give a presentation, and then like I'm already downtown. So I was like, oh, why not go to the library and do my finals? Finals for my master's program. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This second half of the semester, I'm struggling. And it's just like, I don't have enough time in the day to do stuff. But I'm leaning on God. I pray that I don't fail these classes because that's like a total waste of my money. And I forgot my chapstick and my lips is dry. But yeah, I'm gonna head in here and do my project. I'm gonna take you guys with me, obviously, and yeah.
Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little for me? Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Can you do something for me? Can you do your thing? Do your thing. 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 Can you?
Okay, so presentation went well. There were 7 presenters, guys. Some of them were so long-winded, like they just would talk. And me, they told us max 10 minutes, baby. I gave them 8 because I'm not trying to be up there talking that long. But so now I'm gonna go to the library, knock out these finals, pray to God I pass them, pray to God I understand them. I'm hungry, so I think I'm gonna find something to eat first. I need to go buy some chapstick. My car just need to find some chapstick. I also need to use the bathroom. I gotta do a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna go to, I think there's a Rite Aid up here. Yeah, I'm gonna go to a Rite Aid, and then I'm gonna circle back and go to the library and do what it do. So yeah. So I got my snacks, found a parking space after 20 minutes, and now I am walking to the library. It closes at 5 p.m., so I'm gonna be there till 5 p.m.
I
guess this is my life now.
Smoking on the highest level, fucking on the hottest level. Sinning can't remember when we used to see them people in. Now we cutting up and doing anything just for the win. For the money and the fame, the only reason I let them in. Double M, double cross, fuck me good, fuck me soft, let them know who you are. Fuck your bitch and wipe her off, money yours, now it's ours. Unloaded, that's on God, niggas kept on my radar, carry me a A&R. Swimming through the rapids in that battle, that's a new ocean. You was getting way too wet when we was super soaking. The devil's dancing on the roof because the door is open. Take a couple puffs and sips and now a nigga floating. Papa Zany, move your panties, look me in the eyes, bitch. Money's power, after science is you down to die, bitch. I done studied everything right down just to your pockets. Take this pill, it's gonna have you rolling in your eyelids.
So it's 4:18. I know I said I was gonna be at the library till 5, but I just wanted to leave before dark, and also I'm really hungry. I had my snacks. I didn't eat them all because I don't need a snack, I need food. I haven't ate all day. So I'm going to go to a restaurant or something. I pretty much finished one final. It just needs to be fine-tuned because it's like an essay type final, and I have one more. Is that? I'm really out here. Look at. Why didn't y'all tell me that? One, I had a booger in my nose, and two, my hands are like, actually, like, first my lips, then my hands and my nose. Like, what's really going on? How y'all going? Guys, so it's like a couple of hours later. I was gonna go out to eat, but then I was like, okay, let me save some money. I'm just gonna make some tacos. I haven't had tacos in a minute. So as I was coming into the house with the groceries, okay, mind you, I had bought some milk for the hot cocoa that I wanted to do. And as I was coming into the house, I dropped the milk and it went everywhere. So I can't even make a hot cocoa. But I'm gonna make tacos, and let's open up the flavor. What is today? It's the 3rd, December 3rd. So I missed the 1st and 2nd day, whatever. But let's open it up and see. Then I'm gonna make my food and do my homework and relax, go to bed. Okay, so where is day 4? Hold on. Okay, there's day 2. 1, 2. All right, day 3. Let's get this open. Oh, cinnamon cocoa. Okay, why can't I get this out? That's different. Okay. I'll go buy some milk another day and we can catch up on that. But hold on, before I end this vlog, guys, first time trying this, and it's so freaking good. Did I need it? No, but I had got some new wine glasses from TJ Maxx, and you know, it's like juice. This is delicious. Anyway, this is the end of today, and I will see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye. So I definitely thought I was gonna end the vlog, but I did end up cooking. My tacos came out as trash. I forgot that I didn't have a can opener, so I couldn't eat my refried beans or my little chilies. I'll try again tomorrow, I guess. But I don't know, I just want to do like a little girl chat, well, kind of event session And honestly, stay tuned because I really need to do a life update because a lot has changed in my life in the last 6 months. But right now, I just want to rant. So about 3 hours ago, I was contemplating quitting my master's program. And the reason why, because I don't know, I'm just really overwhelmed and my stress levels are to the roof. And I know it's because I'm running off of 3 hours of sleep for the past week, and I just have a lot on my plate, and I am thankful for my life, but life is just really lifing right now, right? Like, I don't know, but so school, let's talk about school. The whole point of me going to school was to advance in my career, get more money, but there are significant evidence showing that one, African-American women, yes, we are leading in education, but we're also leading in the amount of debt that we collect from our education. And then on top of that, we go out into the workforce with all this education, all these accolades, and then we're still paid less than our counterparts. And I'm talking about like Asians and white women that don't even have the same accolades as us. And it's just like, people really believe that like racism doesn't exist, and it 100% does. And in my master's program, I'm doing public administration. I'm doing assignments that have to do with policies that affect, you know, everyday citizens. And I've made it my point to always do it on pretty much the view of Black citizens. And all the research that I find when it comes to environmental injustice, pay, like teacher shortages on Black people, it's depressing. And I think me doing these research papers on how Black people are still suffering, it's causing my mental health to go crazy right now. And I'm really not joking. Like, I don't know. I don't even know, like, that is the truth. I just don't know how I feel at this point. And I know this is not very Christmassy, but I'm just keeping it 100 right now. Just pray for me, honestly. Pray for me, because as of right now, I'm okay, but mentally, I'm not okay. And I'm just getting through. That's just how I feel. Honestly, I just need to relax. Like, I just need a week off from work, school, the world. And during that time, I can just center myself. That's just really what I need. But I can't do that because I have responsibilities. Like, has anyone else felt like this ever? And if you have, please comment down below on how you dealt with this. And I keep telling myself that I shouldn't be, you know, feeling like this because my life is a lot easier than others. But I don't know, I'm just really stressed out. Okay, that's enough. My camera cut off. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. I'm sorry that it was a little depressing, but hopefully I will be in better spirits by the next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
No, we want to ask, how are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.